Hi everyone, it's Becky here. So today I'm gonna give you a sketchbook tour of sketchbook number 3. This is the sketchbook that I filled in the summer of 2012, almost 10 years ago. All right, let's get started. So in the first 2 years of my art journaling journey, I've tried a lot of different brands of spiral bound sketchbooks, and this one is a Holbein brand. It's pretty hard to find this sketchbook anymore. It's made in Japan. It's called Multi-Drawing Book. The paper is actually watercolors. It's about 120 pounds, not very thick. And I started this sketchbook on August 14, 2012. So in the beginning, I like to sketch everyday items at home, and this is my bedroom. The color looks not so vibrant. And a bicycle, and in a laundry room. It was summertime and we had watermelons after dinner. And here, this is my very first attempt at sketching this view outside my reading room window. Now I'm going to show you this view that I've sketched recently. And as you can see, the proportions and the line work and the use of watercolors, it's still very experimental, but it's still a very nice memory though, even though it's not as good as what I'm doing right now. You have to get started from somewhere and get better and better. Roses, and this is a cookie jar. It's a very big one, made of ceramic. Tea time and drawing some of my art materials. Food. This is my very first attempt at sketching this view outside the other window in my reading room. Wow, look at it. And here is a very recent interpretation of the same view. And this one too, both are from a few months ago in the fall. I was really brave though. Doing a puzzle. More food and drinks. And I really like the turnout. I really like the result of these apples, these wild apples. Fruits and the chair, a ceramic sculpture I made in high school. Painting in the living room by the fireplace. More kitchen stuff, beans, powders, can openers. And sketching my hand with pen and watercolors. Still learning. Watching TV and sketching those characters. More kitchen items, and these were actually sketched from photographs. You know, you can see it looks very different from what I do right now. Lots of learnings over the next few years. And this is a good one. Sketching my jacket and some more kitchen items. The moon and night, jars and my evening wear, my dress. I did a lot of writing back then. It's kind of like a diary too. More TV sketches and my noodles lunch. These are good ones. Sketching from my high school graduate pictures. This is something I got from a thrift store. World War II medals. Sketching my dad sleeping and the lamp. More lunch and coffee sketches and the moon and night. These are my very early attempts at sketching landscapes. As you can see, I think I was struggling to get it right. This is the lake at Chilliwack. I was still learning to, find a good view, to compose a nice picture, and how to translate what I see into line works and watercolors. It looks easy, but no, it takes a lot of practice. And these were sketched from photos that I took on a road trip, and barbecue and picnic with family, friends. These were done from real life observations. Leaving for Victoria for third year university. Just a really quick, sketchy line work, line drawing of my backpack, and that's it. So there's no magic power that, it makes us to be perfect artists overnight, that we can do perfect drawings and paintings all of a sudden. So to be consistent in doing this, we need a really strong mindset. So we have to believe that we're able to do this. Our skills are gonna get better and better as we do more and more over time. It's not gonna take weeks or even months. Improvements are gonna come over years of practice. And also, just look at the positive things in the sketches that we do, right? Think about, the nice things that happened during the process. Don't be too self-critical and compare yourself with others. Just focus on the fun, on appreciating your life. And from my experience, I believe that it takes years for our hands and our brain, or like hand-eye coordination, to get used to this drawing and seeing and painting process, to translate what we see and what we feel into lines and colors. It takes years of transformation. And yeah, of course, this won't happen overnight. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please click like and leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for weekly updates. And in the next sketchbook tour, I'm going to show you sketchbook number 4, the continuation of this sketchbook. See you next time!